Gallagher here. If you want to grow your channel quick and easy, subscribe and smash that notification bell, because I share with you all the tips, tricks, and strategies that I use to grow this dead channel from 0 to thousands of subscribers and became a YouTube partner in just a matter of months. And if you want a shout out or you just want to share your channel in a comment below, go ahead. Some of my videos get tens of thousands of views, so I hope it helps you out. So yeah, let's get into this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make tens of thousands of dollars a month right here on YouTube without creating your own content. And it's legit, and I'll show you proof here in a minute. You've probably already seen videos and channels that are doing this, but you didn't know how they were getting away with it. And basically, they're doing compilation clips of all sorts of other people's content, and I'll explain how this works. So the first thing we do, if we go up to the search box and you type in something like top 5 scary roller coasters or whatever, let's search that. You're going to see all sorts of these compilations, and you're going to notice that this is their subscriber count. These are legit channels. They've got tons of subscribers. They're not getting banned by YouTube, and they're obviously sharing a bunch of other content, just compiling them into a single video and posting on their channel. So let's look at, for instance, this one here. 3.7 million subscribers. This one video received 46 million views. So how they're getting away with this is there's something called Creative Commons. Maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't, but this is right from Google support. I'll put a link to this in the description, but basically explains that Creative Commons is the right to reuse other people's content. As other YouTubers upload their content, they have an option to select it as a Creative Commons license, telling you, yeah, go ahead and reuse it. If they don't, it will default into standard license. You probably noticed this if you've ever read the description, there's all sorts of different licensing. So let's go ahead and do a search real quick just to show you what I mean. So let's say you wanted to do a top 5 scary roller coaster video. Well, all you have to do is go up here and type in scary roller coaster. And now if we go up here to filter, and then we go over here to features, right here, there it is, Creative Commons. So when I click on this, it's going to filter out, so only videos that are listed as Creative Commons license are here. So let's see if that's true. Let's just click on this one right here. We'll pause it real quick. Now if we scroll down here and show more, Creative Commons attribution license, reuse allowed. So let's go ahead and go back up here, and in a couple seconds I'll show you some income proof for some of these YouTubers. But here's the next thing that's kind of important. Let's go back to an established one. How about top 5 gaming? So if we look at top 5 gaming, they've got almost 1 million subscribers. Let's click on one of their videos, and we're going to pause that and check some things out. So as you can see, they are a partner. They are getting paid every time somebody watches this, and they've gotten 166,000 views just on this one video alone. And we'll check out their information in Social Blade so you can get an idea what they're making here in a second. But if we scroll over here, you're going to notice a couple things. YouTube videos featured, and they have them all, and they're telling you watch and sub to all of them. So right here they're citing where they got this information from, which is good to do. The other thing that you want to be sure to do in terms of Creative Commons is don't just grab videos and re-upload them, grab them and re-upload them. You're going to want to put compilations together by grabbing separate videos, just like I showed you, scary roller coaster rides or whatever. Go through, filter it by Creative Commons, find 5 or 10, whatever your list size you want. You're just going to edit them together. We'll talk about that here in a second. And then I would get rid of all the audio, that if there's any songs or anything like that, if it's just the sound of the video itself, like the roller coaster and people screaming, that's okay. But if they have some type of music playing overlaid on the video, I wouldn't use that. I would make sure to get rid of that audio and put my own music on there, just YouTube free background music, or copyright free background music, I should say. Play that over top. And you can also add some commentary, but you have to alter the video to make it somewhat of your own. You can't just repost other people's content. It's just another layer of protection to help. So I would recommend doing this on a separate channel just to try it out. I'm going to do that. I'm planning on doing a case study on this. So check on in the description below this video to see if I have it done yet, and I will share with you my results. So look for that link. But first and foremost, all you have to do if you were planning on doing this is go to Google, and you can type in YouTube to MP4 converter. And it's going to bring up a